busy setting up my GoPro for my next few paintings, and this piece is another piece of a very good friend of ours in South Africa, on the south coast. I did a painting of her a few years ago, and it's probably one of my most popular pieces in my book, of Teresa, the lady in blue on the beach. Anyway, we're going to try it out and see how it goes, and we'll take it from there. We're going to be doing step by step on my GoPro. Thank you. It's in the palette right now, getting ready to do the Seascape. I'll probably start painting it tomorrow, but what's happening here is these colors on the outside here are my reference colors, and I use it for a lot of my Florida seascapes. Sometimes they're richer and you know, either go lighter or darker in areas. I just add my enrichment colors. Anyway, and this is the actual picture of the image I'm busy with. That's the reference. What I've done is I've actually taken her and put her further into the water, brought the sea and the sand forward a bit, and that way it looks like she's a little deeper in, and makes it, I think, a little bit more pleasant. Yeah, this is the palette, and busy mixing.
Tell me how to think. Lay me on your riverbed tonight. There'll be chasing after us. I can't remember where you said it was. Are we different, or are we the same? Are we different, or are we fair game? Oh, and take my body. Oh, just take my body. Oh, and take my body.
For this painting, the one from my book of Teresa, that is Teresa there, and that's just a section. That's what I'm using for my mix, and the colors I'm using are a flesh tone, which I only use for tinting, and then I've got a cadmium orange, alizarin crimson, then Naples light, then Naples deep, and then raw sienna. And these are only tones to add for different tones of the flesh. And then of course there's burnt sienna and Van Dyke brown, and then there's Payne's grey, French ultramarine, and then mauve blue shade. And of course, all these colors were from the sea. I should take these off, and you can actually see the actual sea. Let's see where I'm at. I'm still busy with the floating foam in the front. I've got to highlight that, but I want to get the body in and the figure so that I can get the depth and the strength of it, to know how much white or the lighter highlights on the floating foam. So then of course I've got time lapse on this whole painting so far, so it'll be cool. Well, let me carry on mixing and start painting. This is the book I was talking about, and I referred to Teresa, who is in fact is probably one of the most popular paintings in the book, and that is her there, and that's the painting. As you can see, the figure's different. She's actually walking in over there on the painting I'm busy with, and here she's walking out. So that's the painting, and it's become very popular down in Florida at Native Visions Gallery, who sell 100% of all my seascapes. Anyway, so he asked me if I could do something similar, so I decided to get hold of Teresa, and she's excited about it, that there's going to be another painting of her. So I'm actually at a point now where I'm making the lightest tone on the highlight on the skin, and of course that includes titanium white and buff titanium, which I include in basically all the colors in the flesh. So there's buff titanium in constant color here.
Tell me how to think. Lay me on your riverbed tonight. There